Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable professional mode on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. If you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password or your other credentials. After logging in, if you wish to enable professional mode, simply tap on your profile picture within the home page. You will then be taken into your profile page, from which click on the three dots at the right side and you will now see the Turn on Professional Mode button. Go ahead and click on it and you will now see the details about what you will find within professional mode. Read carefully and click on the Turn on button and you will be taken through the welcome screen, and you will need to fill up various information as well as choosing your default audience as well as monetization tools. After filling up all of these information, Facebook will perform an eligibility check in order to see if you qualify to have a professional account. Once this verification is complete, your professional account will be ready right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable a professional mode on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.